But I'm gonna find out from the guys if they've what they've heard and how they hold up in the salty air. Because I mean, Derek's a very honest man. So if he if there is concern,
I am curious. I mean, there's metal, but there's some plastic too.
Yep.
And
I'll just see generally how we've what we've heard from customers on kind of the expectancy and what you do. You know,
I'm more interested in, compared to the other brands.
Okay.
Drop you in the same location. Where do you sit on that?
Yeah, are we going to last longer?
That's more fair, right?
Yeah, 100%.
I mean, your metal probably isn't quite as tough as some of them. I was over here earlier.
Yeah.
I could not afford those machines.
I'll definitely find out about that because I'm curious myself now that you're asking, because I have talked to a couple guys who are interested or been dealing with machines for the East Coast.
Yeah, like I said, like I asked about the electronics and the hydraulics earlier. That is a concern, you know, like it doesn't get like minus 40 like it does here.
It's dealing with different elements.
You know, like minus 27.
But you can get the heavy
it's
snow
damp.
And
it's damp and it's salty.
Yeah.
Like even in the summer, my buddy gets off the plane and he goes, I feel like I just had a shower.
Yeah, 100%.
And I just stepped off the plane.
Yeah, the humidity kills you. Okay.
But
so once again, like I kind of mentioned with the
this is what I don't like about the skid steer, is getting in and out.
Of course.
The seat has more bounce.
Clean on this one. Yeah, so that's.
This is your brake.
Seat.
This is your brake. There isn't a brake.
Emergency brake. No,
I don't actually think there is a brake on one of these.
Because once you, it's kind of the same thing. So, oh, jeez.
Oh,
so normally I do like the door.
Normally it locks?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. Little step.
There we go. But I love that it comes down the front, because I've run the bobcats and the deers, and I always want to yell at whoever's outside the machine. And then you go to open the door and you can't because your bucket's up, and then you got to drop it down and everything.
I got to find the key here.
Oh, so
somewhere.
So it'll be a touch start.
Here? Look at that. Whoa! Oh, that's what it was. The vibration.
There we go. So yeah, so kind of straightforward with those. So this one, you'll just have your so click that green button. That's your go switch, and that's gonna let you run everything now.
Like I said, it's been a long time.
So then that'll be your.
This will be go forward and back, right?
Got it.
So left and right, yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
there's your dump.
Up and down.
Actually, I haven't forgotten that much.
That's like riding a bike, it comes back pretty quick.
Now this here one, I don't know if we're in ISO or H pattern. So this one here, I just go back to go back, forward to go forward.
Got it.
And left or right to turn sideways, right?
Got it.
Yeah, it's been a long time, but yeah.
Like I said, it's like riding a bike.
Cool. Cool.
And then I think they're a little different on every machine. There's a little lock button.
Right here. There's a
Parking brake.
There's a stop here. I think that's an emergency.
Oh, I thought it was.
Wipers, lights.
On the SSV, it was.
This button here, I think that's.
Oh, here.
That's to level your bucket
I
automatically.
believe that's to unlock and lock your bucket. So if you click that. Yeah.
Okay, if you click that, and then what? You can't dump it.
And then it'll, I believe. You want to just click that yellow?
Oh, to drop it, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I don't think we want to drop it right now.
So I mean, but if you want it, it's nice and easy. So.
So the problem that they have with these is all the mud and everything gets bunged up here in these flip things that release the bucket, right? How do you solve that problem besides clean the hell out of it all the time?
It's kind of the only solution.
Is that right?
Keep it nice and clean. I mean, like I said, these ones are hydraulic, so it's as long as you're keeping them moving and just doing your due diligence and not letting it get too caked up, then shouldn't deal with too many issues.
Now, is this one new or used?
This one, I believe this is a new one, but it was out on a demo. If this is the one I'm thinking of.
You know what I mentioned?
What is that?
Remember we were talking earlier? You see the rust on the bucket?
Oh, on the bucket? This is an old bucket. Yeah. The machine itself. But yeah, this bucket's okay. Up we go.
Yeah, if you've got a forestry mulcher or something on here, these are a bitch and a half to get in and out of. I can't believe I remembered how to, and I didn't put the bucket down all the way.
I know, it did. Yeah, it was sitting right here.
If you get one in, you should maybe give me a call.
Absolutely.
I'll come back out. Yeah, now I want to do. Whoa!
All right.
Bet you that hurt.
Oh.
See, that happens when you're old.
Happens to me and on the best of days too. Are you sure okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Like when I'm in Nova Scotia and I'm clearing land and doing projects on the land, the machines will be the hero. Like I'll just be the idiot operating them, you know?
You're just the
like
guy.
they'll get all the camera time.
Yeah. No, I think that's a very cool project. I'm excited to help you out with some numbers. So just to recap, so get you I'll focus on the 5.7, but I'll get you the 402 skid steer.
And I'm gonna need a filibuster.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And
I'm gonna need a mulcher.
And the mulcher.
Because the mulcher it'll save hundreds of hours of cleanup time, right?
Yeah.
The filibuster, that'll save me about 5 years not chainsawing.
Yeah.
I mean, I could buy a cat. Well, with a lot of help, I could buy a cat. But the thing is that, okay, so I'm looking at, by the time I get everything that I need, probably $400,000. If I had a business, I can justify that.
Yeah.
Right? You're working it, you're making money, you're charging whatever it takes to pay the overhead.
Yep.
But as a farm or as a homesteader, is it really affordable? Like, will you be able to eat?
Yeah, right.
And that might be where Kubota comes right down and wins it. I don't know.
Well, I know like compared to the big tractors, I haven't quoted any of those out yet personally, but I know my sales manager, I was sitting in on him, and there was a guy looking at the John Deere equivalent, and it was $450,000 for the tractor.
And you guys were?
280. So you're looking, it was almost like, you can almost get two Kubotas for the price of a John Deere.